Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about AMDP benefits as compared to normal class. Then I will explain example how we can insert records into our database table with the help of AMDP class. Same way we can delete and already modified existing record also. Okay, so first of all I will explain the benefits of AMDP class, why we create it, why we prefer AMDP class in compared to normal class. So first of all, we can use many functions like current timestamps, current session, current user into same select query while fetching the records. We can use substring, ltrim, rtrim, case conditions. So many functionality is given into AMDP class. It supports like Windows function. We can use incremental field. We can generate that incremental field. And second thing, there is no need to create internal table. We can fetch records directly after declarations like fetch records or anything we can take. It is not fixed. It is we can take any name. So after selecting the records from table, it creates same structure. How many fields we are taking here, it will create same structure. And third thing, we can change the field name with the help of aliases. With the help of aliases, we can change the data type of the field into same select query. We can concatenate two fields, three fields into same select query. Main thing, we can use HANA, native HANA applications like SQL script coding. We can call our already existing procedure into our AMDP class. We can use our normal method also into same AMDP class. Like without using that HANA HDB, SQL script coding, we can call our normal method also into our AMDP class. So these are some benefits why we are preferring AMDP class, and it has code push down methodology, like it works on database directly. So there are so many benefits into AMDP. We create it as global class. So these are some differences why we prefer AMDP class as compared to normal class. And we create our AMDP class with the help of HANA Studio only. And for display purpose, we can check it through AC24 into our GUI screen. But for any changes, we again need to come into our HANA Studio screen. And second, I will explain how we can insert the records into our database table with the help of AMDP class. There are some confusion among students. Some my regular subscriber has asked me to make some video for data insert into database table. So let's see here. Suppose we have one custom table, Gmara1. Here is two field, Matner ERSTA. So we will create AMDP class for it and we will insert record into it. So this is the screen of HANA Studio. Into Project Explorer, we need to create our AMDP class. So here we are creating AMDP class. AMDP class is a global class. We can use it multiple times. It is reusable. As per our project need, we can give here name declare. We can give a name some meaningful. Where a star field is given, so it is mandatory. Then next, if we will create into package, then it will ask for transport request. We are creating right now into local. Then finish. So by default, we will get this template. And first of all, we need to define under public section interfaces. That will be IF AMDP marker HTV. So why we mention it? Because it is the functionality given by SAP. Without using this interface, we can't inherit properties of SQL script or AMDP. uh, AMDP functionality we can't achieve into this class. So this is why we need to mention this interface. If we will not mention it, so it will not create AMDP class. So it will not affect our functionality of AMDP class into it. So after defining interfaces, we need to define our methods. We are creating a static method, so we need to use this syntax. Then we need to define our importing parameter. We can take it types like Matner. We can define our exporting parameter also. It will give us output. So in exporting parameter, we will take message. We will define its type character and length will be 20. Then it will gives you error like implementation is missing. So we defined here a static. So we defined here a static methods. So we need to implement it. So here we will mention method data insert. So we need to define by database procedure. For HDB is database language SQL script, but in backend it understands only SQL script. If we are using some tables, so we need to define it. Like we will use Mara table for selection purpose, and we are using a custom tables like gmara 1 and end of method. We need to we write our code. Already I have explained that we don't need to create internal table. So in our code we can create it. In selection of fields, I have taken two fields in custom table. So here I will mention two field. From Mara table, Then we will put condition. So here we have selected our records like Matner and ERSDA field we have selected from Mara table, and the fetch record is create like internal table, and the structure is like this, like two fields of this Mara table. Then we can see here is the error is giving ZMARA1 is not needed because we didn't use ZMARA. So here we need to insert our record. Like we can write syntax like it, insert into ZMARA1, then select from this internal table fetch record. Then close it. So actually there was no error. So I was matching through already created AMDP, but it was giving error initially. So now error has gone. Then in exporting parameter, we need to write that we have taken here iMessage. So into iMessage, we can write our message and then close it. Then activate it. During activation, it will save automatically. So we have created this AMDP class for inserting the records into our custom table. So we will test it. After pressing F8, directly it will go into execution mode. So here we will put our Matner for inserting purpose. So first of all, we will check the table records. So here is one record only and the material is ended with 1 8. So we will insert this second Matner and here we will put it and execute. So records update. Go again into our custom table and just refresh it. So So we can see with the help of AMDP class, we can insert records into our table. So same way we can delete, modify and update the same records. So for now, keep watching my YouTube channel, subscribe it, like it and share for next video. Okay, thank you.